Welcome to the life of a Shelly. This is a documentary about recorded footage of a Shelly in the wild. Our Shelly begins the game hungry for power cubes. The Shelly sees another Shelly, possibly another inhabitor of the bush. This could be an issue when nesting in a warm and comfy bush. The Shelly tries to intimidate the other Shelly. However, they have more power cubes. The predator Lily strikes hunting for the Shelly. Shelly escapes, nesting in a bush. Edgar would be a prime target for tasty power cubes. Shelly is successful in her hunt. However, she is now injured when the Lily begins to chase. Shelly activates clay pigeons. However, she misses every shot because she sucks at Brawl stars. The Lily ignores the Shelly for a 7 power cubams, a much yummier treat. This greed shows to be her downfall. Shelly settles down in a nice bush. Hear her battle cry.
Fantastico!
Fantastico indeed. Now at showdown, she is prepared to face against Anita. Not prepared enough. This time Shelly plans to bush camp more. Looking to stay safer, she doesn't go towards the contested power cube. A large feast resides in the middle. Shelly plans to eat. She narrowly escapes into her favorite bush. Shelly is forced to leave her favorite bush. She won't be long without a bush. Shelly did not survive.